Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is Sunday, March 9. Right now, it is after 2 o'clock, roughly about 2:15 afternoon. So, today I'm going to do another unboxing video. This is going to be a product that I bought on Amazon. First of all, I'm not sponsored by the company. I don't remember who made this, but it is a sun visor. No, not sun visor. Is a window visor. Yeah, it's a window visor for Toyota Highlander hybrid, but it's also fit for regular Highlander as well. For second generation, so the Highlander that I have is a 2011 Highlander, but it's a hybrid model, but it fit regular model as well. So let's open this. It came with the brown box, nothing special. Have my house address on it and stuff like that. Next thing, let's try to open it. I got the key. Oh man, I've got any key to open it. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna pause it. Let me get something to open this. Okay, guys, let's get started. So on the website, it have two different models. You got the regular one and you got the chrome. So the one that I have is the chrome trim. So it's not the whole thing chrome. It's just the trim itself. That's chrome. Yeah. And in terms of the price, I don't remember. So I'll show you guys the Amazon later after I open it. But like I say, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just bought it and kind of want to show you guys, if you guys are going to buy one, what to expect when you get it from the website, from the Amazon. Both sides. Did I get it? Yeah, I got it. This seems to be moving. Okay, so this is going to be 4 pieces for the front and the back. So let's take the box away. Yeah, nothing in the box, it's empty. So got this wrap on it. Oh, it also came with like some kind of, what is that? Like a screws bolt. I don't know why it came with that. In my mind, I'm just thinking that it's just going to be like double-sided tape. But I didn't think that you need this. So anyway, let's try to open this. I'll take it out, show you guys. On the website, they also provide like video how to install it as well. So I don't think I really need to show you guys. I just want to show you guys the product, what it looked like. So these two are for the back. It doesn't come with the instruction manual or anything. So I don't know what these are for. But it definitely came with it. Let me show you guys a close-up. So it got some screws and kind of bracket. So I don't know what that's for. Okay, so this is for the back. Let me maybe just take one out and show you guys. They taped it, so it's pretty nicely sealed. Ooh, smoke. So after you install it, you remove the blue tape. Underneath is a chrome. Looks pretty nice, guys. What do you guys think? Yeah. So this is from the inside looking out. It's not really dark. It's kind of like a smoke. And also, in terms of, I don't know if you can see it, the bottom part is smooth, but this has some rigid on top. Close up. Can you guys see that? So, yeah, the quality feels really good. I don't remember the price. I'll double check the price and let you guys know. Let me see if I could pull the price up. I gotta open my Amazon. Sorry, guys. Take a second. or maybe more than a second. Okay, where's my water history? Account, water. Okay, I see it. It's called Icon, IKON, Motorsport. So, show you guys. Let me flip the camera around. Okay, I don't know if you guys could see it. It's the Icon Motorsport. Window, visor, chrome trim. Oops. Compatible with. Ooh, let me zoom in. Compatible with 2000. Okay, you got your 4 pieces. They got the regular one, and this is the one with the chrome. It's 45 bucks, and you also get 5% off if you redeem it. You know, so yeah, it fit my car. Mine was 2011. Yep. Anyway, so yeah, I think it's pretty good price. Looking at the quality itself, pretty good. Let me open one for the front and show you guys what it looked like. Maybe I'll do a finishing video next time. If you guys are curious about trying to get one. But yeah, like I say, I'm not sponsored by them. I don't even know how's the installations are going to be like. So right now at this moment, looking at the quality itself, it looks pretty good. But in terms of installing it, like I said, they do have a video on the website, on the Amazon, showing you how to install it. This side. This is the passenger side. Oh, you know what? You see they have holes here. So I think that's what the thing is for. There's a hole. So that's what you use to mount it. Have both holes. Let me see the one for the front. I mean for the back. It also has a hole right there. So you see that holes. So I think that's what the those bolts are for. Where did I put those bolts? I know it's here somewhere. Oh, here we go. Let's open these. So even though it doesn't have any instruction, but I'm pretty sure I could figure this out. Just try and match it. So we got these bracket. They all look the same. Let me see how many there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got 8 brackets. So 2 each. 4. Yep, exactly. So 4 on each. So you got, 2 on each. So 4 in the back and 4 in the front. So these are the bracket for it. And I assuming that it must latch onto something. I'm probably going to double check the video again, the website, see if I'm missing something, like because the only thing I saw was like the 3M tape. They did not use the bracket, but maybe I missed that part. So I assuming this goes on the top. The middle is probably go underneath that, because I wouldn't think they'll show the middle on top. And it look like this thing probably just go outside of it and just push in. Yeah, I see it. It looks something like that. And this, I assume, is kind of go latch onto your window. So yeah, I'll double check it. But anyway, overall, I like the product. The only thing is that it's missing the instruction, guys. So we'll paper. So anyway, I'm gonna look at the website. I know they have a short video of it and showing you how to install this. But I don't remember seeing anything about the clip thing. So I'll double check that part. But other than that, it has a double-sided tape on the back, and then also the chrome, the blue tape. You just remove it after everything's done. But so far that's it. In terms of the fitment, I'm not quite sure yet, but I'll double check. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I show you guys the price, the website, and everything. So I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, just want to give you guys an update. So that's the installation of it. The back fits perfect, nothing wrong with it, no gap in between. The driver, there is a gap right here in the front area, about stop from right there. That's about what, 10 inches or something like that, I don't know, but there's a bulge. So when you see that, I still able to push it in. The 3M tape is not touching the surface itself. This part is sticking pretty good, nothing wrong with it. It just there's a bulge right here. I don't know, maybe it's not flexing, so I park it this way so the sun will hit it and try and warm this up. Maybe kind of like soften up the plastic or something. But yeah, it's definitely not sticking. There's a gap in between. If you look from the side like this, you see that white line. Let me try to zoom in for you guys so you can see it better. You see that? The white stuff, it shouldn't be there. It should be perfectly flush. So there's a big gap. Let me try to push it in so you guys can see it. Oops. You guys see it? I'm pushing it in. So it's not sticking. It's not touching the surface completely. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Oh. Yeah, so I'm just pushing it. Anyway, there's a space right there. Let me zoom out for you guys. Passenger side is nothing wrong with it. It's perfectly fine. Like I say, this is the second generation. So this one, and also I picked the chrome one. They do have a regular black one, but I just want to match with the original chrome came with the car. So yeah, perfect matching. That's about it. My ATV, I haven't been riding it. I just been parked there most of the time. But yeah, and another thing is that, oh shoot, I just dropped in. These clip is extremely hard to push down. Extremely hard. Okay, just know that it's extremely hard to push down. It'll take you a long time. There must be a certain technique or ways to do it. But yeah. Anyway, that's all. I'm gonna end the video right here.